Hello and welcome to Koreshan State Park. We're looking at campsite number 35. It looks a lot like 34 and 36, but it's number 35. My rig hogs most of the campsite, but we'll take a look around anyway. You've got a 37-foot Tiffin. It's a blacktop site. I love this site. It's got water, 50 amp electric, picnic table, short trip to the bathroom, fire pit, barbecue grill. It's got a crystal. Howdy, Crystal. So we're going to take a tour of the campground and call it a day. Site 50, what site? 53. We're on site 53 at Koreshan State Park. Again, it's a ADA site, blacktop, with a short trip to the comfort station, restroom, laundry area. There you have it. Laundry's about $2 a load. There's Crystal again, the Tasmanian devil.